The glass railing hardware is an ingeniously designed side-mount spigot with a compact and beautiful design. It offers easy installation and simple adjustment. It also has the option of adding spaces of varying thicknesses to be compatible with different thicknesses of glass, making the product super versatile. There are a number of baseplate installation methods available which can be selected according to the applicable mounting structure. First, secure the base plate firmly. Then fix the rear clamp plate to the base plate with screws. When installing the rear clamp plates, the default position setting of the grab screw is a very important step which can reduce unnecessary repeated adjustments in the later stage of installation. The specific goal of default grab screws positioning is to keep the recline plate parallel to the mounting surface, so that the top and bottom gaps between the recline plate and the mounting structure are consistent with the red clamp. Plate is parallel with the mounting surface. Fasten the grab screw until it is just in contact with the base plate so as to maintain the consistency of the initial setting and to leave room for adjustment later on. The next step are to install the front clamp plate and bolts, place the glass panel in position, fasten the bolts, and finally, adjust according to the position of the panels, and the installation is complete.